So here is a mock test for social science, class 7. Three chapters are covered. That is the first, the story of farming. Second, India and her neighbor. Third is empire and its kingdom from 6th to 10th century. So let us do. First is which of the following best define agriculture as an economic activity? And the options are extraction of minerals, processing of raw material, cultivation of land and rearing of animal, providing services to people. Cultivation of land and rearing of animal is the correct answer. According to survey 2022-23, approximately what percentage of India's workforce was engaged in agriculture and allied activities? And the options are 28%, 36%, 56%, 46%. 46% is the correct answer. Which of the following is an example of a traditional farming practice in India? Use of drone, organic manure and crop rotation, precision irrigation, genetically modified seed. So, organic manure and crop rotation is an example of traditional farming practice in India. So, Go Krishi mainly referred to chemical based farming, cow based natural farming, mechanized farming, plantation agriculture, cow based natural farming. Neem based practice in agriculture mainly involved the use of chemical fertilizer, neem product for pest and soil management, synthetic pesticide, heavy machinery. Neem product for pest and soil management. The Green Revolution in India referred to use of modern technique to increase food grain production, growth of service sector, industrial development, increase in forest cover, use of modern technique to increase food grain production. The Food and Agriculture Organization FAO works in India mainly to control inflation, support agriculture, nutrition and rural development, manage foreign trade, promote tourism, support agriculture, nutrition and rural development. The main objective of Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana is to increase crop production, provide insurance cover against crop loss, promote export of crops, encourage organic farming, provide insurance cover against crop loss. India shares its land boundary with which of the following SAARC, South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation countries? And the options are Afghanistan, Bhutan, Nepal, all of the above. Answer is all of the above. Which is the third largest ocean in the world? Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Arctic Ocean. Indian Ocean. Which of the following commodities from India recorded significant export growth to China in 2023? Iron ore, cotton yarn, spices, all of the above. So, all of the above. Which Indian state bordering Pakistan is famous for the run of Kutch? Punjab, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Haryana. Gujarat. India Bangladesh border is primarily mountainous, coastal, riverine, and plain, desert. So, riverine and plain. The India Nepal Treaty of Peace and Friendship was signed in which year? 1947, 1950, 1960, 1972. 1950. India and Bhutan cooperate most closely in which sector? Textile export, hydropower development, space research, nuclear energy. Hydropower development. The India Myanmar land border crossing agreement was signed in 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019. 2018. Which of the following country is a landlocked neighbor of India? Bangladesh, Afghanistan, Sri Lanka, Maldives. Afghanistan. In ancient time, Iran and India had connection mainly through ocean voyages exclusively, trade and cultural exchange along land and sea route, only diplomatic embassies, share modern political treaties. So, trade and cultural exchange along land and sea route. Who was the most famous ruler of the Vardhana dynasty? Pushyabhuti dynasty, Chandragupta Maurya, Harsha or Harshavardhana, Samudragupta, Raja Raja Chola. Correct answer is Harsha, that is Harshavardhana. The Eastern Chalukya rule over which region? Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra, Vengi region, Maharashtra. Andhra, Vengi region. Who defeated the Chalukya ruler Pulka Seni II? And the options are Mahendra Varman first, Simbha Vishnu, Narsimha Varman first, Nandi Varman second. Correct answer is Narsimha Varman first. The capital of the Aulikara dynasty was Ujjain, Kanauj, Dashapura, Patliputra. Dasapura. The decline of the Gupta Empire led to complete political unity, growth of regional culture, end of trade, end of kingdom, growth of regional cultures. One positive effect of regionalism is division of the country, development of local culture, weakening of administration, increase in conflict, development of local culture. Kharif crops are usually sown in October, November, December, January, June, July, March, April, June, July. So this is 25 MCQs are there as a mock test for 3 chapters. So this much for this video. If you watch until the last, then thank you so much for watching.